Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sriraj Melit back with another video. So in this video we're gonna start with exercise questions and solutions based on JavaScript chapters we have learned so far. This is an exercise question video based on our chapter 1, that is about JavaScript variables. Your task is to write a JavaScript code using variables to display name, age, country and married status. For name you have to take two variables, the first name and last name, and store the data. And for age you need to store in a variable called age that will be of type number. The name, first name and last name will be of type string, and country is another string variable, and married you can make use of boolean values, that is a true or false. So these things we just covered in our chapter 1 about variables in JavaScript. You can just refer that chapter and you can give a try over this, and you should be able to get an output like this. The final output should look something like this. Initially you have to display name colon space, then you have to print the value of the variable. So this first name variable will have the first name and last name variable will contain the last name. So you have to display, you have to console or print like this. Similarly, age you have to print like this, age colon space, then age value, and country and marriage status like married colon space, the boolean value which you stored in the variable. So you just give a try, and in the next video I will give the solution for this problem. So by solving these kind of problems you can quickly master JavaScript core concepts. You can easily become an expert in JavaScript, as well as you can smoothly code on libraries like React.js, Angular, Vue, etc. So just give a try for this exercise and you get into the solution, and you can check whether the solution is correct or not based on the next video that will be the solution of this video. That's all guys in this video. This is Sriraj Melit signing off. A lot of exercises are coming on the way. Keep subscribed.